Want to earn from YouTube without ever showing your face? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a faceless YouTube channel using free AI tools. From voice to video. Let's begin. Create a faceless YouTube channel. Using AI, pick a niche like motivation, tech, finance, facts, and storytelling. Choose one that fits your interest and audience potential. Next, write your script using ChatGPT or Notion AI. Type something like, write a 2-minute YouTube script about the top 5 AI tools for beginners. AI will instantly give you a voiceover-ready script. Create AI voiceover. Now, turn your script into a natural voiceover using AI tools like 11 Labs, Play.ht, or Murph.ai. Generate or edit video. Upload your script or audio to AI video creators like Pictory, Runway, or Synthesia. They'll automatically create visuals, text overlays, and transitions to match your narration. Finally, refine your video using CapCut, Canva Video Editor, or DaVinci Resolve. Add background music, captions, and a custom thumbnail to boost engagement. And that's it. You've just created a professional faceless YouTube video using AI tools. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe